Good morning, and congratulations to all of you. I would also like to congratulate the Daily Star on the 20th year of these awards. We didn't have these awards in our times, but this has always been a great initiative to encourage academic excellence, especially for O-level and A-level students. And Sayara Adrita stands a testament to the success of the Daily Star Awards. Getting 6 A's in your O-levels and 3 A's in your A-levels is no easy feat. And all of you here today, you have done that. You have achieved that amid so many distractions and adversities that are present today. I mean, just with your phone and your tablets, you have the entire world in front of you, and you still manage to stay focused, and you achieve these great results. So congratulations. Congratulations also to all the parents. As a parent myself, I know that nothing feels better than to see my kids succeed. You are all successful parents, and your achievement is a personal inspiration for me. I know you're all ready to get started with the award distribution, so I will not take too much time, but I want to leave you with two things, if I hope this will stay with you. Do not compromise on your dreams. Don't go and study the traditional career paths because they offer the financial benefits that have succeeded maybe a parent, an aunt, or a cousin. Or don't go and study what your friends are doing. But rather dig deep and find out what motivates you and what you feel is the purpose of your life. What you choose today may not seem to be the best in terms of financials in the future, but when you like something you do, when it motivates you, you will be happy, and it will always inspire you to do great things. So continue to work hard and strive for excellence. Research your areas of interest and see what is needed for the future. Areas like disaster management, data analytics, artificial intelligence, these are all upcoming areas where we will need expertise. You need to have the vision to realize your possibilities. All the counselors at MACES, including myself and my husband, we were international students ourselves. The challenges we faced as international students helped us to be successful in our respective fields when we came back to Bangladesh. Bangladesh is in a great position to soar in the next 50 years. With a huge young population who will become consumers, entrepreneurs, and contributors to the economy, we will achieve unprecedented growth. Study abroad, train yourselves, and come back to be a part of that journey. And the final thing that I would like to leave you with is strive to be the best human being. Do not compromise because of who you are or because of your circumstances. Train yourselves to be world-class professionals so you can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. Brand yourselves and brand Bangladesh. When you look at yourself, I would like you to think, when you brand yourself as Bangladeshis, take it to that level. So when people hear Bangladesh, they think of greatness. It is possible to achieve with time. You need to be ambassadors for your country for that to happen, because you represent the best Bangladesh has to offer. So dream big and make it happen.